guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about a topic that's becoming more and more important in our daily lives: the use of organic and natural beauty and household products. If you know me, you know that I think it's super important to learn about what we put on our skin and in our homes. There are so many conventional products that are packed with toxic ingredients that can be really harmful. Switching to natural and organic ingredients means that you are choosing products that are safer, gentler and better for the planet too. In today's video I will be sharing some of my favorite natural alternatives that I am sure you will love too. So let's get started. So all of these products are from one of my favorite brands called Farmasi. They produce beauty, household and wellness products, all made with natural organic ingredients. It's a family-owned business run by two brothers, and it was founded by their grandfather who was a doctor. They provide a wide range of products to address your family's needs. Their products are specifically designed to improve your lifestyle. So I am going to start with some of my favorite makeup products, and I'm going to start with this mascara. To be honest, I tried loads of their mascaras before. This is the one I have been using recently. This is the mascara I am wearing right now, and I use this every single day. I don't have long lashes, I never did, so I really need all the help I can get from a good mascara. I really love this type of brush, and it's just what works best for my lashes. This mascara is designed with a formula that thickens, curls and moisturizes your lashes as well. And these are some of my favorite lip glosses. This red color is just so gorgeous. I'm just going to show you on my hand. This pink color is actually my favorite. Look how gorgeous this color is, and it's just so creamy and moisturizing as well. I also have one of these clear lip plumping glosses which you can wear on top of your lipstick, and this just gives you so much shine. And again, it's made with all natural ingredients. I find it really important to know that there are natural ingredients in the things that I put on my skin, but most importantly on my face. Let's move on to some eyeshadow palettes. These are all really small and they are perfect for when you are traveling, so I like to take these ones with me. This is the first one. This has loads of gorgeous pink shades, and I really like these glittery ones. I actually like to use this one as a highlighter, and then I have these two. These ones have more like golden shades, and this is a very simple one for more natural looks, but also has some like shimmery colors. All the shades are highly pigmented. I just want to show you on my hands, and as I said, I like to use these colors as a highlighter. This might be actually my favorite makeup product from them. I never really used a primer before when doing my makeup. I normally just put a face cream on and then apply my foundation. But ever since I tried this illuminating primer, I use it every single time because I feel like it makes such a difference. I can really see how much nicer my makeup looks, and it just gives your face like a natural glow. Another one of my favorites is the Pro Camera Ready foundation, which I actually ran out of, but it's definitely one of the best foundations I ever used. This foundation is so lightweight and moisturizing. And now let's move on to some of their skincare products. I'm going to start with this eye cream. I absolutely love this moisture rich eye cream. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You only need to use the tiniest amount and just carefully tap around the eye area, or you can massage it in as well. And this sleeping mask is something I like to use when I feel like my face really needs some hydration and looking after. This is something that you apply as the last step of your skincare, and you can leave it on your face overnight and then just wash it off in the morning with some warm water. And this generously sized body mist is another one of my favorites. They have them in different scents. The one I got is with wild berries. I usually like to use this at home after shower. Now I want to show you some of my favorite hair care products. I have hair extensions and I'm really trying to look after them. I like to use this shampoo and this hair mask together. This spray gives your hair such an instant shimmering shine. And these products are best used together, but they work perfectly separately as well. So if you just want to get the shampoo, which is something I would recommend because of the natural ingredients, it's just really good for restoring your hair's health, especially if you are someone who likes to change your hair color and dye your hair frequently. And when it comes to body washes, the only products I use are from Farmasi. This is the one I am currently using, but I do love all the other ones they have as well. This is made with all natural products, and you can really tell from the way it smells as well. It smells so amazing and refreshing. This is something that I have been using for a very long time now. When washing the dishes, I find it really important to use a good natural product like this one to protect my hands from drying out and aging too quickly. Dishwashing liquids that you normally find in the shops are full of toxic ingredients, and they can be very bad for your skin. This is why I find it very important to use something like this. And something I always carry with myself is a hand cream. I like to make sure my hands are always moisturized, and this is one of my favorites. This hand cream smells so lovely, and it's so moisturizing. There are so many more products that I could show you guys and I could talk about, but for this video I only have 2 more products to show you. And the first one is this almond body lotion, and the second one is this body wash. They are both made of almond oil and shea butter, which are some of my favorite ingredients. And again, this smells amazing and it's super moisturizing as well. I love the natural ingredients in this one. So these are all the products that I wanted to show you guys. And I also want to mention that if you want to buy any of their products at a discounted price, it's super easy to become a member. All you have to do is to sign up and buy one of their starter packages. And the cheapest package is only £19.99. You will receive loads of products like this one. Here you will find exfoliating cleanser, an all-night beauty mask, a moisturizer and an eye cream. And although these are quite small, products like an eye cream, you only need to use the tiniest amount for under your eyes. So this would last you for a really long time. If you become a beauty influencer, during your first month, you can qualify to earn additional products and cash on top of your commissions. So once you become a member, you will have your own online web shop where people can buy products through you, and that way you can earn commission as well. You can make a little bit of extra cash with this, or you can just buy products for yourself and your family. But if you have more time and you want to actually make a living out of this, that is also possible. Okay, so that is all for today's video. As I said, I will leave some links in the description box for you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.